Welcome back. We have some sunshine on a sticky day in West Michigan. High temperatures this afternoon expected to advance into the 80s, including 83 in Grand Rapids, 82 for Hastings, 88 in Benton Harbor today, 85 for Sturgis, 82 in Big Rapids. The storm system is going to roll in tonight, and it looks like it'll have plenty of energy to feed off of. We do have an enhanced risk of severe weather across West Michigan, and it looks like this isn't any ordinary severe weather risk. You can see that we have a high probability of damaging winds, likely to exceed 70 miles per hour with some of the strongest straight line gusts. You can also find that we have a 30% chance of some large hail that could exceed 2 inches in diameter. And there's the tornado risk inside of that yellow area on your screen. The energy available to produce some EF2 tornadoes as you approach I-94, especially inside of that yellow region, a 10% chance of tornadoes happening. Meanwhile, for areas near I-96 in Grand Rapids, that is a 5% chance, which is fairly high by what the Storm Prediction Center typically issues. So we are continuing to watch for that potential of the hail to come through, damaging winds exceeding 70 miles per hour, and not out of the question that we could have some tornadoes touch down that are of EF2 strength or greater. As we look at Storm Track Live right now, you can see that we have an area of low pressure which is continuing to spiral its way through the Dakotas. You can also find that we have this triple point where we have that intersection of the boundaries which is continuing to travel through Missouri and into Iowa right now. And it looks like that's going to be continuing to shift into West Michigan tonight. That'll serve as the focal point for those strong storms. Here's a look at Futurecast then. Pausing the clock at 5 p.m. You can see some of those intense thunderstorms beginning to work into central Wisconsin. As we look in closer toward 8 o'clock tonight, you can begin to see those storms shifting further east. By 9 o'clock, it's likely that we'll see those near the lakefront, including near Howland and Benton Harbor. US 131 Grand Rapids right around 10 o'clock tonight. Large hail damaging winds, some very heavy downpours associated with this. And again, we will be keeping a sharp eye on the potential for some tornado touchdowns as well. It's a very narrow window of opportunity. By about midnight tonight, you can see that the storms will be shifting further east in lower Michigan. We'll have some sunshine to begin things tomorrow, before a chance of seeing some more showers and storms develop later into Friday evening. Here's a look at some of the arrival times in the yellow area on your screen, including Berrien County, likely between about 6 and 8 o'clock tonight, approaching Grand Rapids and US 131 at about 10 o'clock, and then shifting into our eastern tier of counties further into central Michigan between 10 p.m. and midnight. About a ½ inch to an inch of rain, a quick soaking expected out of this system. And once it passes, moving beyond tomorrow, you can see that we'll have a very comfortable pattern settle in with highs in the 60s and less humidity. Here's a look at the 8-day forecast then. It shows that we will have active weather continuing through tonight and tomorrow, and then we'll have some more peaceful conditions to enjoy.